Well, it's a pretty nice day. It's warm. Turkeys are out. Trying to get some. Got their hen friends down there. It's a good day to change a motor. Or at least pull one. Got Exo out. Motor still runs fine, but like some of you don't see, it's got some debris in the oil. So I'm not happy about. And this ain't exactly AAA friendly, so I'm gonna change it out anyway. Just gotta dig the engine hoist out back there and turn this thing around and get started. Alright, motor's out. I pulled mine with the turbo and everything. I guess it just depends on your setup. So, let's get on the stand. First, gotta get the pipe bender off the stand. Then get it on the stand. Tear it down. See what I screwed up. Oh, here it is, all torn apart. People can see the bearings. Not terrible. The mains anyway. A little bit of wear, but I mean it is a number 3 thrust, 20,000 miles of 400 plus horsepower wheel horse, so I mean to be expected. That one's got a little, like it looks on the cameras, impregnated a little bit. Same with that one. These ones are worn a little higher. Well, that won't focus. Too shiny. The rods are pretty worn too. So, I mean, I don't think a spin was coming soon, but I don't regret tearing it apart anymore. I'll throw that long block in this weekend and get up and running. Not real sure what to do with this one. Yep.